Tigers, we're back and ready to help you make it through these final weeks of school. On this week's show, you'll learn how to spread thanks across the SLOHS High campus and learn how to become an ASB commissioner. I'm Max Templin.
And I'm Gaia Villani, and on today's show, we'll also learn more about becoming a speaker at Senior Showcase or Graduation, FFA's most recent public speaking competition, and we'll have an update on our sports from our very own Malenga Malama. Now, here comes the news you need to know.
Hey Tigers, this is your last chance to write a thank you letter to one of our amazing teachers or staff members. So far, Spread Thanks SLOHS has been a great success, and there has already been over 150 letters submitted and distributed. This is an excellent opportunity to provide some community service and spread some good vibes. To send a letter, just go to www.spreadthankslohs.com, scroll to the bottom of the website, and click on Open Form.
Receiving the letter definitely is made my day for sure. I love, just being reminded that everything that you do is, appreciated, and so it definitely brightened my day for sure.
We really have no idea as teachers if we're appreciated or not. And I know that sounds weird, but we really just don't know. We don't know whose lives we're impacting. We don't know who had that aha moment on a certain day. So when I get a letter from a student saying that I had an impact on their life, it makes me obviously fulfilled. I feel fulfillment and I feel appreciated.
This has been the most demanding and difficult year of teaching in a 10-year career, but that's coupled with the fact that it's been the most rewarding. So to see that and to know that I've had an impact and helped students out and shown them things or informed them and educated them on things that they're actually interested in means the world to me.
You can choose to remain anonymous, but just know that these letters will be previewed before being distributed. As Aesop once said, no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted.
Do you binge watch baking shows as much as I do? I know I can't get enough of the Great British Bake Off or Cake Wars, and I've always wished that one of those events would come to SLO High. Well, now I think my wish might come true. Check out this preview for FCCLA's event this Thursday night.
I think it looks great. It's thematic.
Disaster.
We did the best we could with the time that we had.
This is so bad.
Each year at Senior Showcase and Graduation, we have 3 speeches: valedictorian, salutatorian, and speaker at large. If you believe you are running for valedictorian or salutatorian, please submit your speech on Google Classroom or email it to Mr. Inman by 4 p.m. on May 28th. If you would otherwise like to be considered for speaker at large at graduation, please submit your speech on Google Classroom or email it to Mr. Inman by 4 o'clock May 28th. There will be a selection process the first week of June.
Hey Tigers, are you interested in becoming a part of Link Crew? Here's a video with some information on how you can get involved.
Our FFA chapter is legit, and if you want to know why, check out the story from TNN reporter Ellie Pearson, who caught up with chapter members who recently competed in a regional public speaking competition.
Hello Tigers, this year the FFA was able to hold their public speaking contest once more. On Zoom, of course. Despite the changes, a few students have made it to the state finalists, and we caught up with them to hear more.
For the FFA, creed speaking is basically reciting a few paragraphs that were written a long time ago about why you believe in the future of agriculture. And then after you're reciting, the judges will ask you a few questions.
Extemporaneous public speaking is a public speaking event where you do some research prior to the event and you collect a bunch of articles, and because it's through FFA, they're typically about agricultural issues. Then on the day of the event, you're given a topic and 30 minutes to write a speech, and then we memorize our speech in that same 30 minutes, and then we give it to a panel of judges who asks us questions at the end.
COVID has had more impacts on the competition other than the obvious.
A lot of our topics actually were in relation to COVID, so how did COVID impact stores, how did it impact the shipping process or the selling process, so that was actually interesting.
Honestly, the most difficult part of the speech was probably technical difficulties, like my phone ringing halfway through.
This contest is no easy feat. It comes with a variety of challenges.
The most difficult part about this competition is definitely the time crunch and having so little time to prepare a speech.
However, participating has led to great improvements in public speaking skills and other benefits as well.
And it also informs me on a lot of really current events.
The most valuable part of this experience was probably just practicing public speaking and not speeding up when I get nervous or mumbling or trying to just be calm and composed, I guess.
And our state champion of the extemporaneous speaking competition is Allison Deers.
Good job to everyone in the FFA for showing us your hard work.
Thanks, Ellie, and nice work, FFA. Tigers are no strangers to competition. Now here's Malanga Malama with our TNN Sports Update.
In sports news, boys and girls soccer both concluded their seasons this week. Boys and girls basketball are looking to pick up wins this week along with softball. Baseball defeated the league leaders Arroyo Grande twice and are shaping up for CIF. Our girls tennis team, vastly underreported on this year but arguably the best set of athletes on campus, have won their last 2 CIF matches and play Clovis North in the Division I semifinals on Friday. On a similar note, boys tennis wrapped up a league title 2 weeks ago and also faced Clovis North in the Division I semifinals on Monday. Good luck to both teams. Our track teams competed in league prelims on Friday and will compete at league finals on Friday. And finally, our aquatics boys and girls both won league titles this week and look to continue their tremendous form at CIF.
Thanks, Malanga. That's amazing. Those athletes are still at it. Nice work, everybody. Keep digging deep, Tigers, and make sure to finish this year strong. I'm Max Templin.
And I'm Gaia Villani, signing off for our second to last show of the year. Take care of yourselves, Tiger, and your friends, and have a great week.